Happy Tuesday, guys. Now, yesterday we learned about the church's role in medieval Europe, and today we're going to move on to manor life. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. Our learning target is I can explain the roles and everyday life of those that lived on a medieval manor. Here is an artist rendition of the medieval manor. You've got the Lord's castle, you've got fields, you've got common pastures. Look, there's a church. There's a church in this little bitty manor. There's the serf's house, there's the mill, there's a moat. All these pieces and parts work together. What you're going to do today is learn about how people lived and worked. You'll start beginning to learn about some of the relationships between different people in medieval Europe and how, in order to live on such a place, that you would actually almost be in servitude to those above you. When we move on to our topic of tomorrow, feudalism, it'll make more sense as to how the pieces and parts work together. But what you're going to see today and learn about is all the different buildings and all the different jobs and everything that had to happen in order to make this manor work and to be the way that it's supposed to be. As you can see, manor life, it's the Lord's castle was located at the center of the manor because that is where the most important people of the manor lived, well, or at least the people who were in charge. So I would say the most important were actually these serfs down here. But what you're going to do today is actually go on a web quest. The neat part about this is you can go at it any way you want to. When you get to the website, you will see that you can click on many different areas. There's actually a jousting tournament going on at the manor that you'll visit for your web quest. So there's different pieces and parts that you can do. There's no order in which you must go in, but there are questions for you to answer on the hyperlink document where you will actually look at the document first. If I were you, I'd read over the questions and have an idea of what you were expected to look for, and then go in search of it. Go on that web quest and truly explore the manor that you are going to be looking at today. Now, it specifically says to restate and answer those questions in complete sentences. Guys, we're on the road to being eighth graders here, and I know it has been a challenging year for us all. None of us have had it easy, but as your teacher, I really, really want to see the level of your work to elevate itself. So when it asks for complete sentences, I know I've said this many times before. That means they begin with a capital letter and they end with some kind of punctuation. And when it asks you to restate the question, take the time to do it. I really want to see good effort on this assignment. And it's kind of enjoyable because of the way the graphics are laid out. But I really want to see what you've learned. And please don't go to a website and just highlight and copy the information and put it in and turn it as your work. That's called plagiarism. You're stealing somebody else's words. And besides, I'll know that you know how to right click on something, copy and paste it, but I won't really know if you understand the concept of the lesson. So please take the time, restate the question, put it in complete sentence form and in your own words. Now, if you need any help with any of those skills, if you just were saying, hey, Miss Hyatt, can you show me exactly what you want? I would be more than glad to show you. I know Miss Criswell would as well. But take the time as you explore manor life and show us what you can do. Give us your best work. Again, if you need us, you can reach out and we'll be here for you. And we want you to have a great day. Bye, guys.